Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
We are at Bellevue heading... No, we are going to the Bellevue Square for us to experience the SnowFlake Lane.
It's like, Bellevue is like Makati in the Philippines.
Talaga lang?
Or Ortigas.
But it's so quiet.
And then Seattle is like Manila or Quezon City.
Talaga? It's so quiet. So cold.
Because Bellevue is like
Oh my
mga
goodness.
social rito, social.
No man
Tugnaw man kaya kong love. Alright guys, see you at SnowFlake Lane.
Snowflake Lane, always a holiday on Snowflake Lane. Just a holiday on Snowflake Lane with you. Can't explain when we're walking down Snowflake Lane, watching people dancing in the rain with you. Holding hands while we're listening to the band. I just wanna
let it go, let it go. To look a lot like Christmas. Rain or shine, guys. Rain or shine. Hi, Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. From this lovely lady right here.
So that was it. I lost Ode.
I got lost, guys. I got lost.
So how was it?
I didn't see anything.
I know, it's raining. What kind of tagar? Very strong.
Wow. Asian problems. We're too short.
Asian
And these
problem.
people are so tall, we can't even see.
It's cold outside. So we're back at the mall. Shucks. My hairdo. What do you think?
It's too cold.
I know.
It's fun though, I get it.
So that's it and see ya.
Hi, we are home now. The time is 8:32. We just got home after Snowflake Lane, and it's great. Although I didn't see the whole thing. No, let me share to you 3 things. Number 1. You really have to be there early. You have to be there early so that you can get your spot and see the parade. And then secondly, you must eat first, okay? So you won't be hungry. Third, you need to be ready and bring your umbrella, because girl, it was raining.
No, you don't have to bring umbrella. Hello.
It was raining and it was cold, but it's fun.
It has
Although I didn't see a lot of the because I can't see Asian problems. I'm so short, like really. Oh my
Next time
god.
we should bring a stool.
No, I
or
think
a ladder.
no. I think the trick is you just need to be there an hour early. Like be there in your
straight.
spot
Yeah.
1 hour early. Because it
Wow.
starts at 7, so you should be there at 6. Even if it's raining so hard, you need to be there. Stand still. Don't go anywhere. And
Bring
just-
your snacks.
Because it's a struggle. Like
I know.
Gladys and I, Chris, Ian, oh my god, we were behind these tall people. And the tall people are, you know, tall.
So you can see.
So the short ones are behind the tall people, so we can't see clearly. But it's fun. It's fun. And we are going to end the vlog here. And we'll see you guys again on our next adventure. And I don't know. I think we should vlog before the end of the year. Nga.
End of the
Yeah.
year.
So we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.